It depends what you get directly to work instead of having a cocktail.
Lavish ones. You know, some of the solutions.
Considered to be the or, even though, you know, hopefully set up a neighborhood killed so easily. So that's very important.
Where I sang for you, maybe have the fellas play you a tune. Tell me, do you like it? Do you like it? I know you do.
Well, you are listening to Lifted Crew, a hip-hop band that combines soul, funk, and rhythm and blues. Joining us now are two members of the talented crew, Atlas, or Mr. At.
Mr. At,
Mr.
yes.
At, and Yvette Rivera. And so nice to have you in Eber today.
Thank you so much.
I know you came in with all this weather and stuff like that. Well, tell me about Lifted Crew. How'd you guys get started? When did you start?
Lifted Crew, we've been started about 4 years now. We've been rocking together, and it's been a blessing. It's just a lot of fun. We're all really good friends, and we just kind of, it's a journey. You know, it's been a journey.
And there's 10 in your band, so you have a pretty big band, and you've got this phenomenal horn section, but you also combine a lot of different styles. So who's your target audience?
I would say anywhere between 20s to 50s, because I think that our music appeals to a younger crowd for the kind of the party vibe that we have, but also the musical sensibility that we have is geared towards an older crowd also.
Well, tell me about your two individual backgrounds. How did you get your start in music, Mr. At?
I started writing when I was 12. I just really enjoyed hip-hop music. I just started writing, and from there it just turned into throwing a party. It's like, oh, let's have a party and have fun and just make music.
How old were you when you wrote your first song?
I was 13 years old, actually. Yeah.
Okay. And how about you, Yvette?
I started singing when I was 9, and then I went to the Berklee College of Music in Boston, and that's where I met a lot of the members from the band. And I've studied, you know, jazz music and R&B and musical theater and stuff like that.
Is there any one performance where you guys have been that really stands out as you're like, wow, I really made it now?
My favorite show was this CD release that you guys just saw in the clip. It was for our CD release party, and it was just an amazing show. I'll just always remember that.
Now, how often do you guys play? Are you playing every week?
We play at least once a month in New York City, but we go to other surrounding areas in New England, usually every week.
So. Now, I imagine that you do have, because this is just phenomenal music, and it kind of like gets you started. Where can people go get your CDs?
They can go to iTunes, Lifted Crew, liftedcrew.com. You can check out Twitter out, Facebook. It's all for sale, all linked into there.
What about some retail stores?
We have some small mom and pop stores throughout New York. Nothing crazy though as far as the retail at this moment.
Mostly online.
Mostly online.
Okay. And you say it's really a collaboration of the 10 members of your band. Does everybody write the music?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
We do.
We all write collectively. Like someone will come with an idea maybe, and then we'll all take it and change it, or it's just a real vibe. It's really vibing. It's all about the moment, and everyone has creative input, all equal. It's a lot of fun.
And talk about your songs. Is there one particular one that is your favorite, and what are they mostly about? Is it just about having fun? Is there a certain theme?
It ranges.
It ranges. Like she said before, we have songs from relationship-based to this track we're about to release called Survive, which is like almost on some end of the world, like gotta keep it moving, and the world's crazy right now. I mean, then we have a song like Dance Off. It's all about the party. So
yeah.
Okay. And what else can you tell us briefly before we go?
Well,
where can we see you?
Okay, so we actually just recorded an album with Big Daddy Kane that's dropping, March 26th, that we're really excited about. So
that's a pretty big time.
Yeah, we're excited about it, and it's kind of like a soul album, really. It has a very old school feel to it, but Big Daddy Kane's on it, so it kind of merges the 90s hip hop with like the soul music from Motown and stuff like that.
And that's where can we
March
get
26th.
March
It'll be out, for release.
Okay, wow. That's kind of says, hey, wow, we really made it now.
Big Daddy Kane and Slick Rick. We work with Slick Rick a lot too, and both hip hop pioneers. It's a lot of fun.
Very cool. One more time, your website, please.
www.liftedcrew.com.
Liftedcrew.com.
Mr. Ad, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
We wish you all the best, and we hope you come back here to Every Today.